This 2020 Grand Design Imagine 2250RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, water heater, awning, smoke detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Imagine 2250RK is 5,497 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.